guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah D, and I'm a girl who likes to burp. I like to do challenges. I like to hang out with my fans, and today I'm drinking my favorite drink. You guys know this one, Monster Mucho Loco, totally my favorite. I'm going to be drinking this and burping for you guys. The challenge I've been challenged to do is something that's really hard for me as someone who loves to complain and talk a lot. Okay, I'm gonna try and shut up today. I'm gonna try and burp for you guys without talking so much. You think I'll be able to do it? What is happening, tripod? What is happening? Am I in a spot you don't like? I think the tripod was saying no. Okay, so from here on out, I'm gonna try and say nothing anymore. Zip, nada, nilch. It's gonna be 100% burping oriented. Are you ready? Hit that like, subscribe, and put the bell on for like all the notifications, and yeah, go follow me on my socials and stuff. Yeah, it's all in the description. Anyway, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. If you enjoyed me being quiet for once in my freaking life, think of it as my Christmas present to you. If you're sick and tired of hearing me talk nonsense. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe, and all the things. If you didn't, check out the ones where I'm actually talking. Bye!